Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this lesson I'm going to deal with how to create, name and organize a folder. So if you want to create a folder, you want to right click on any area on the desktop, right click, you come to new and say slowly, then you come to, you don't move your mouse around, otherwise the open the side window would go. So right click, you come to new, come to folder, that is to create a folder, to name it. So when it is highlighted like this, you just, let's say, save it, let's say my first folder. So there's it, that's my first folder. If you by chance maybe you came to new, you came to folder and you click somewhere else and it still showed as new folder, and just right click on it, come to rename it, then you save it, let's say folder 1. Yes, that is how to create a folder, name it or rename it. So let's just see, if let's say you have a folder, you open it, you can also create an inside folder. That is, either you right click any empty space inside the open folder, come to new, come to folder, and type in, let's say maybe folder 2. So you can also come inside and create another folder as much as you want, or you can come to the tabs over here, then create one. So you can come click over here, that's new folder, then you type in the name, that's let's say folder 3. So this is your folder that you have been able to create. If you want to change the name to, and just right click on the folder, so make sure it is selected, right click, come to it, rename, then maybe let's say we want to rename it as Kingsman. So yes, so this is your folder that you have been able to save it. So you open it, secret, you have been able to create it, then rename it to the name in which you wish to do. So that's creating and naming a folder. If you want to also organize your folder, you can also organize. So let's say you can, let's say copy the folder like this and move to, let's say you want to move this folder somewhere else. So make sure you select it, select the particular folder, let's select this folder, you do move to, you choose, let's say which location, let's say I choose story. So I've moved to story. Let's see if you can find it over there. My story, I have my personal, come over here, story, my story. So you see, this is the folder I've been able to organize. Let me delete it from there. Yes, so this is how you are able to create and organize your folder. If you want to delete a folder, to just right click on it, then delete it, come to the delete part, then delete it, or make sure it is being selected, press the delete key on the keyboard and you get it being deleted. So that's how to create, name, rename, organize a folder. Let me add something in addition. Let's say you want to organize your icons. Let's say, let's say your icons or your folders on the desktop is not organized. Let's scatter it a little bit. It's not organized, and you wish to make this digital space a little bit more clean. You know how you get to know, like to keep your how you keep your office clean. You want to keep this place also clean, so you can just come to any space, any empty space, right click, you come to even the view, you come to the sort by, and just sort by what name. It automatically aligns everything for you. If let's say you don't want to each and every time you come to your as you have to come and right click, come to sort by or view or like organize it, or you can just come to your view. You see over here we have the align icons, the grid show icons on desktop, then auto arrange icons. So we click on auto arrange icons, then automatically arrange your icons for you. Even if somebody mistakenly drag it somewhere else, it doesn't go, like it doesn't stay, it just automatically readjusts the position of your icons. If you want to resize it, maybe to suit you, it is too small for you, and just right click, come to view, select the large icons, and then I've been able to enlarge my icons. If it is too big for you, come to small icons. But me, I want the medium parts because I'm okay with this. Yes, so this brings our lesson to an end. Thank you very much for such a wonderful moment.